This was a motor that was just rebuilt, and I guess the guy likes John Deere green. And the builder told the guy he needed to have the timing set on it because the timing was bad and he couldn't set it. You could build a motor, you can't set the timing. That makes a lot of sense to me. But anyway, it probably is a timing issue, because if you look at this right here, that's not moving freely. That's just flop back and forth. So they've got it, I don't know what they've gotten done. But anyway, that's why the timing, because it's just wherever the timing wants to be. But that should go all the way back there with the with this touching that right there. It should go all the way back and go to base timing, but it's not. So we're going to take this apart and get it so that that'll move freely. And it could actually be underneath the flywheel. It could be right here, but we're going to find out.